This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord gear shift knob. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off the ignition to stay safe. Remove loose items from the console area and lay down a cloth to protect trim from scratches. Check the replacement knob for screws or adapters so you know which method to use during installation. Begin by inspecting how the current knob is attached, since Honda Accords use different retainer styles. If you have a threaded knob, hold the shifter boot and turn the knob counterclockwise while applying steady pressure. For clip or pin types, carefully expose the retaining clip and remove it with a flat tool, then pull the knob straight up. Keep all hardware safe for reinstallation or reuse with the new knob. Place any included adapter onto the shifter shaft, making sure it seats flush and aligns with splines or flat spots. Slide the new knob down over the adapter or threads, then tighten screws or rotate the knob clockwise until snug. Avoid over-tightening plastic components. Reinstall any trim or boot, then test the shifter gently through each gear to confirm smooth movement and secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.